All right, good morning, students, and welcome to week 6. These are going to be some quick video instructions for where to find things and just some quick reminders for week 6's digital assignments. So let's head on over to Schoology to see what we have in store. If I can find the right tab. All right, so we have a new tab here, Light and Matter week 6 here at the bottom. And if you look at the agenda for our digital days, you have to complete the following assignments. Light and Matters Property Reading, Day 1. Light and Property Readings, Day 2. So, this is where all of your stuff is. Click on that. You go in, there should be 2 readings assigned to each of you. One for Day 1, one for Day 2. This shouldn't take you more than 45 minutes to do each. If it takes you less, that's awesome. But know that it should be around 30 to 45 minutes for each of these. So there's going to be a little bit more for this week. So you'd click on this, it would bring you to a screen. You click on My Document. Sorry, I can't show you guys. I don't have a student view of PowerSchool, unfortunately. So you click on that and it would bring you to your 2 assignments, Light Properties Reading Day 1, Light Properties Reading Day 2. You'll notice they look pretty much the same because we're asking you to do the same thing on each day. So Day 1, pick one of the choices, only one, and answer the questions at the bottom. Make sure your answers are detailed and written in complete sentences to receive full credit. We are a middle school, ladies and gentlemen. We do need to push you with some of those writing skills to at least write out 1 or 2 complete sentences so that we know what you're talking about. Make sure that you're also including the title of everything you did, keywords, because if you're just using things like it or the thing, I don't know what you're talking about. I can't give you full credit because of that. So you have 4 choices here. In the mild choices, if you're looking for something simpler, you have optics and water. If you're looking for something a little bit more challenging, or you can go for the medium choices. This is about where I'd probably put most of you at for understanding some of the stuff. And then spicy is for someone who's really looking to push their limits and really learn something new and kind of cool. The reason why we have the spicy choice is that might include some stuff we haven't covered in class. So that means you'd really have to push your knowledge and reading skills just a bit more than you'd expect. Okay, so then you're going to answer, what article did you read? What are 3 takeaways or big ideas from the article? Is the article an example of reflection, absorption, or refraction? And then explain how this article is an example of reflection, absorption, and refraction. Ladies and gentlemen, if you just copy and paste something in number 4, you are not going to get full credit. You need to be able to explain in your own words why it is reflection, absorption, or refraction. It's a challenging piece. Some of you may find it a little bit frustrating, but that's where a lot of the learning is going to take place for you to answer this question. So if you see something that totally explains it in the article, that's great, but you just need to be able to put it into your own words. Okay, so that's Day 1. Day 2 is the same thing, except we only have 3 choices. Your mild choice is the 2-way mirror video. Medium choice is talking about wildfire sunsets. And the spicy choice is photosynthesis. Exact same questions as Day 1. Make sure you're answering complete statements and sentences. And again, copying and pasting something into this is not going to give you credit at the end of the day. So make sure you guys are taking the time. Make sure you guys are doing this right the first time around. And yeah, hopefully everything should be working out the way it needs to be. So good luck, everyone. You're going to do great. Yeah, good luck this week. I will be looking at my emails periodically to help you out if I can. All right.